Alright guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Today we're having a look at one of the latest AirPods for clones. There are a few versions right now in the market that is available, and today we'll be reviewing one of them. This is going to be the Dani V1 with the Bluetooth chipset. Soon I'll be getting the original AirPods 4s from Apple and we'll be comparing these to those. We will be comparing the originals to the Dani V1 to see how good it is in terms of the sound quality, if there are any difference, and of course we'll see if the ANC is close or not. Anyways, this is going to be the Dani V1. All the information will be down below in the description. Also, AliExpress is having a Singles Day sale on November 11th. They're having their annual huge discount sales, including items in tech, Bluetooth earbuds and headphones, phone accessories, kitchen accessories, clothing, and much more. Pretty much any items on AliExpress, so go check them out. All the info will be down in the description. Dani's also doing a giveaway for any people who are ordering from him, so all the information will be down below in the description. You can also join my Discord for more info as well and ask me questions right there. This product will also come in a double box during shipping. And just to quickly compare, here is the AirPods Pro 2 box. And here is the AirPods 2 box. You can see that there's a huge difference in terms of the size. I would say it's about 30% smaller packaging when comparing it to the AirPods 2s. Same height, but size is significantly different. So here's a close-up look of the box. As you can see, we've got the AirPods 4s. This is with the ANC. The one without the ANC actually has a different top design of the box. And here we do have some little stickers. As you can see, it says active noise cancellation. We've got the two pull tabs right here, and honestly, holding it for the first time, the box feels really small, so I can't imagine how small the product will actually be. So let's check it out. Let's pull the pull tabs. On the back of the box, of course, it says AirPods 4s with active noise cancellation. Let's open up the box, and the first thing you'll see is the little pamphlet that says designed by Apple in California. And inside right here, we are going to have the user manual, as you can see right here. Now, as you can see, it is missing the warranty cards and all of that, but other than that, here is going to be the product itself. The AirPods 4 clones, the Dani V1 with the Bluetooth chipset wrapped in the plastic, and that's it. Pretty much it. You do not have a charging cable included. This is really unfortunate, but it is to be expected from Apple, you know? So this is going to be the AirPods 4s, the Dani V1. Let's unwrap them. And here they are. Here's a close look at the brand new AirPods 4s clones from Dani V1. As you can see, the LED right now, we cannot really see it anymore comparing to the previous AirPods 2s, AirPods 3s, and AirPods Pro 2s. In the back, we won't have the pairing button anymore, as you can see. We also have the metal hinge right here with the writings. On the bottom of the AirPods right here, we do have the USB-C port with the little speaker right here. If we open up the lid, we heard the speakers. We got that LED that it's in the back of the plastic casing. Here are the earbuds themselves, the Dani V1. Here is going to be a close-up look of inside the case with the metal hinge with some engravings in the lid as well. So included, it came wrapped in a plastic right here. As you can see that you can actually remove. This is to protect the ear sensor. So overall, the build quality of the case does feel pretty decent. It is actually a real metal hinge. So I got here the iPad M1 running on iPadOS 18. So to connect your device, really simple. Like always, open up the lid, get it close to the iPad itself. And once you get the pop-up animation, all you're gonna do is simply tap on connect, 1, 2. And as you can see, it is connecting to the iPad. It is successful, connected to the iPad Pro. And you can skip if you want, or you can go through the quick instruction guide. Pop-up animation does work on iPadOS 18. You got the battery percentage of the earbuds and also of the charging case. And if you do go to the Bluetooth settings, tap any eye information. As you can see right here, we got the battery percentage of the Bluetooth earbuds, the charging case, we got the name of the product, which you can change it to whatever you want. We do have the ANC transparency mode adaptive audio settings right here, but once again, only ANC and transparency mode is going to work. You got some pressure sensors right here that you can change all of these settings right there. You do have air detections that you can turn it off if you do find it annoying, and of course right here on the bottom we do have more information on the actual product. All right, so I'm going to put these in my ear, and there is indeed the air detection sound. So if we go to control center, as you can see, we do have the AirPods 4 logos, and of course we also have conversation awareness, spatial audio, ANC, transparency mode, and the adaptive audio setting. And of course I'm not expecting these to actually have conversation awareness or adaptive audio, it's just for show. So yeah, anyways, let's test out the main features right here and see if it actually works or not, see how good it is. Obviously it would be better if I had tested this in a different environment, but we're here in the studio, let's test out how it actually sounds. So first of all, let's test out transparency mode and see if it actually works. Now that transparency mode is turned on, I can see that there is a very slight difference between transparency mode, but one thing I could tell is that my voice is slightly louder, and it's turned on noise cancellation right now. So ANC does actually work on the Danny V1. Again, not significant difference. It does work a little bit. I will have to test these, let's say in a different environment with more traffic noise, let's say, or like in a subway, more in the machinery sound environment. So if you guys want to see an update review on the ANC transparency mode, do join my Discord, where I'll be writing a written review once I do test out this product with louder environment in the subway and all. And of course we'll be doing a review comparing these to the original AirPods 4s. Just for fun, I'm going to be testing out conversation awareness just to see if it works. I'm not expecting it to work, and as you can see, it's just for show. Conversation awareness does not actually work. Same thing for adaptive audio. So this is a microphone test of the all-new Danny V1. This is approximately how you're gonna sound like whenever you're making a phone call or if you were in a meeting. And like always, this is a raw audio coming straight from the microphones itself. Let me know down below in the comments how it sounds and if it's usable or not. Anyways, right now I'm gonna test out the sound quality of these Danny V1 and see how good it actually is. Let's go. So yeah, overall I think that the Danny V1 do sound really good. I'm actually surprised that the speaker drivers included on these Danny V1 do sound actually pretty good. They do have pretty good punchy bass, great clarity, and of course the audio is not too loud when it's at its lowest volume. So overall I do think that the Danny V1s are a pretty great option, a pretty good budget option for those who do want some Bluetooth earbuds. Of course, like I said, these might not be the best ANC Bluetooth earbuds. Of course, I do think that the ones with the silicones like the AirPods Pro 2s are a better option. They do have a better seal. Those silicone tips do allow a stronger ANC. And here's going to be a close-up look of the Danny V1. As you can see right there, we got the ear sensors. We also have the infrared LED right there that's trying to detect your ears. Here, as you can see, we got the redesigned speaker that will fit better in your ears. And overall, I do find that these do fit better than the AirPods 3s comparing. And overall, I do find that these fit better than the AirPods 3s. When I was wearing the AirPods 3s, they kept falling off of my ears, especially the right side. Now, one thing I would say about the Danny V1 is that the pressure sensor is actually really sensitive. You barely touch it, it will pause. You barely touch it again, it is going to play. As you can see, if you press 2 times, it skips to the next song. So guys, these are the Danny V1 AirPods 4 clones. Overall, I would say sound quality wise, they are pretty good, surprisingly good, especially for a Bluetooth budget option out there. Design wise, I really like it. Comparing to the AirPods 3s, they do fit better. Obviously, ANC transparency mode is not going to be the best. I will have to further test these features. Battery life on these should last approximately 4 hours or so, depending if you're using ANC or not. But yeah, overall, I would say design wise, they pretty much got it on point. We got the new LED right there with the tap on the case. We do not have any more of the pairing button in the back. If you guys got any questions, let me know down below in comments. All the infos once again on the AliExpress single day sale and Danny's giveaway will be down below in the description. Join my Discord for more info. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.